Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is Thursday. It is 10:30 here in Colorado. So I just wake up. So we're gonna do some dish today, lumpia. So I'm gonna make lumpia for Dan's coworker today. So ayan na. Meron akong cabbage, garlic, onion, itong red chili. Frozen pa siya eh. Saka itong lumpia wrapper, meron ako ditong tatlo. This one I haven't opened yet. The 2-pack is haven't opened it yet. Carrots. Hindi nagkasya sa isang container. Carrots. And the meat is still on the fridge. I'm gonna use the ground fork for my lumpia, guys. So what I do, I'm gonna cook first the meat and everything and vegetables, and after that I'm gonna wrap it in the lumpia wrapper. Ito guys yung Valentine's Day na flowers. Oh, lanta na siya. Nandito pa rin siya. Pero yung ito hindi pa. Oh, ang ganda pa ng kulay niya. Oh. Pink. Grabe, sobrang crunchy na. Kailangan na atang itapon yan. Tuyo na siya eh. Dry yung lips ko. So guys, before I'm gonna start, let's go ahead and drink coffee. Do you want some coffee, honey?
So you're starting with that?
No, I already talked when you're showering though.
Okay.
Dan said, "Are you starting with that?"
Terrible intro.
No. I already did. Do you want me to do it again?
No.
I'm gonna go to the store later. I'm gonna buy a bag of rice.
Okay. That view.
I can't see myself, honey. There you go.
Oh, you're crooked again. I just fixed this. Why are you crooked?
Did
Are you tilting it?
Just a little bit. Okay, that's good enough. Yes.
Filming? Yeah.
Is it? Oh
Huh?
my god.
It's counting.
Okay.
Oh, you got a cut point. Just be like, cut.
Last night, honey, I did film talking again and recognize it when I check my video. Didn't record at all of it. So I have to redo it again.
Is the mic on?
Huh?
So is the mic on?
Yeah. It's automatically on, so I don't have a problem for microphone. The problem is now having problem for recording it. Like, okay, guys. So now I'm starting to slicing the cabbage, the garlic and onion. I'm gonna start slicing it first, like smaller slice. But the carrot, I already sliced the carrots yesterday though, so I'm good. Did you notice the blinds? I opened it a little bit, honey.
Yeah. I didn't notice that.
If you don't like it, just close it. Oh yeah, I need to cook the two round pork though.
Of course.
This is gonna be hard. I don't like that too. I don't know, my vegetables. That one too. I need to delete some of the files on my iPad though. It's getting full again.
Yep.
Yesterday I tried, it won't let me. Before, they won't let me transfer videos, so I have to delete some of it too. Like, okay.
Keeping all the data hard.
Mm-hmm.
What are you gonna use the pepper for?
The what?
Chilies.
You don't like to add a little bit? Oh yeah, it's hard. Can you put it back in the fridge, honey?
I got a couple people that cannot do spicy.
Okay.
So they'll get their spice from the vinegar.
Oh yeah, that's not too bad for the vinegar.
And I got one old lady. There's no way she could handle anything spicy.
Oh, how old she is?
I don't know.
50s?
Her hair's all gray. That's about all I can tell you.
Oh, probably just pieces or something. So I'm not gonna add a lot of water for it because cabbage make like their own like water after getting like soft. Okay. Pick up all the hard things for the cabbage. Basically the cabbage is like what's that vegetable that you make salads in?
Lettuce?
Yes, but kind of like thicker than lettuce, huh?
Yeah. These got sliced kind of weird.
Oh, that's the one that the left, like after I can do it in a marine machine. It's kind of like scared to like from my hand, so I slice it with knife.
Well, you took them apart in the Philippines and you didn't have a freezer there.
Because we cook it right away. We buy it whatever we want to cook. We cook it right away and we finish it. Something like that. Because we don't have a fridge.
Oh, you cut onions so weird.
Why?
Because they cut easier the other way.
Slice ko na yung garlic tsaka sibuyas and then I'm already heating the pan so that I can start frying the garlic and onion. Kape tayo, guys. So next, guys, we're gonna add, ooh, that's super, so we're gonna add the meat. Because I want to aim it on my pan though. This is the meat, ground pork. So
yep, Jimmy Dean.
Jimmy Dan said Jimmy Dean, right?
Yep, Jimmy Dean regular.
Jimmy Dean regular. It's good though, you should try it, guys. It's good for lumpia. Yan. Hintayin lang natin siyang So we're gonna wait till it's brown and add the vegetables and seasoning, and we're done cooking. And the last step, we're gonna wrap it with the lumpia wrapper.
Let's drain the fat real good.
Yeah. Let me wash my hands. So ayan guys, brown na yung meat, luto na yung meat. Add na natin tong cabbage. Pieces of. And then the carrots, guys. Yan, lagay na natin yung carrots. It's gonna be a lot. So, luto na siya guys. Antayin ko lang siyang lumamig. Saka ko siya irarap sa lumpia wrapper. So, ayan na siya guys. Yay! The meat is done. Just waiting to make it cool. And I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it in the lumpia wrapper. And my battery is dying. Need to switch it. Antayin ko lang siyang lumamig guys para start ko na siyang i-wrap sa wrapper. Yan lang guys. What I did, I just gonna cook the meat first and add vegetables, and after I cook it, I wrap it in the lumpia wrapper. So tapos ko na siya guys marap. Hindi ko na film yung pagra-wrap ko. Ito na, 2 container yung nagawa ko. Ayan guys. Yung pangalawang container. And then, ito yung ito yung first container. And then, ito yung ambango. Ito yung pangalawang container, guys. Na ano ko na siya. So, ilalagay ko lang siya sa ref and dadalhin ni Dan sa work. Doon niya na lang ipiprito sa trabaho. So, yay! This is a lot for 2 container of lumpia. So guys, nakaalis na si Dan. So, start to clean up the mess. Maghuhugas lang tayo guys ng mga kalat sa kusina. Yan. So, tapos na ako mag-laundry, maghugas ng plato guys. Ayan, tapos na maglinis ng bahay. So, I think that's it for today's vlog guys. So hope you enjoy my vlog today, and just give me a thumbs up if you like it and comment down below. And if you're new here, thank you so much, and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell as well so that you will notified every time I upload a new video. And I think that's it for today's vlog guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next vlog. Bye.